Hey guys, how's it going? How to add social links to Bluehost site. So first of all, log in with your Bluehost account and choose the right plan for you. Okay. Next, what you're gonna do? You're gonna just go ahead and start. Just go ahead to the website section on your Bluehost, and then you're gonna see the many sites, or maybe you have one site. Go ahead and click edit site, and then you'll be redirected. If you're using WordPress, you'll be redirected to the WordPress homepage or dashboard, and then from there you're gonna be able to see your site, and or just go ahead and click the appearance in the left side section. Let me show it to you because you need to actually know that. Right, WordPress, right? Go ahead and click the website, and if you have the website, just go ahead and click edit site in this section, and you'll be basically redirected to the WordPress homepage. Okay, let me WordPress yeah, WordPress yeah, right here. You'll be directed just like this. Okay, and if you're using WordPress, you're gonna see the same settings. Okay, go ahead and click appearance, and in the appearance you're gonna see two options, themes and editor. Go ahead and just edit the website. Okay, and basically you're gonna see right here, this is the left side where you can see multiple options, and click sections, and then in the sections you're gonna scroll a little bit down and click social. Right, next what you're gonna do, you're gonna see right here, follow us. You're gonna see Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Right, and to edit the text, you can just go ahead and click on the social. Right, from the social section, click on any description from the template, and the text toolbar will pop up to allow you to format your text. And to add the social account for your website, click on the gear icon on the social media section template, and from the social account field, you can add the URLs of your social account. Okay, ensure to click apply to save changes, and in the after you finish, click apply right here to save the changes. And to edit the settings, go ahead and navigate through the right hand menu right here, and you're gonna be able to see elements, title, subtitle. You can do it on your own time, and navigate through the social background tab from the right hand side navigation menu to design your social section right here in the background. And you'll be able right here to see multiple templates in colors, and you're gonna see image and video if you have your own video or image. Right, basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.